Yeah.
It's like sit down for
Okay.
just to jump.
Ah, now I wish I had a handheld. I mean, something on my head instead.
Otherwise you can just stop there.
No, no, I can make it down. Here, why don't you record? There you go. All right, don't try this at home, right?
Yeah.
How far a drop is it?
It's just here.
Okay. Ah, so it's not so bad.
It's not so bad. Yeah.
There we go. Oh, cool, you can hear it turning.
So this is like very, very steep.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Huh.
So on turning the dead valve,
Yeah.
it's like you do it very gently. If you do it at like once, you can break the pipe.
Really?
So we do it like very slowly.
The pressure can break the pipe.
Yes.
And it's done.
Yeah.
What does this vertical pipe do?
This is like air vent.
Okay.
It's like letting the air inside. Because the pipe is like sucking the air like so that there's a lot of pressure down there.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's good that it sucks air
Yes.
with it.
Yeah.
Huh. It doesn't create turbulence.
No.
It actually helps the flow.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And did you learn that too? Did they teach that?
There is a guy
Yeah.
who's like welding these things and he hasn't had a lot of experience on these things.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. This will be very interesting to see this in the daytime and the beautiful waterfall over there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.